Today, I'll show you how to add an electronic signature in Google Forms. Before we begin, there's one very important thing to understand. Google Forms does not currently have a built-in native eSignature question type. Google's official eSignature feature is available in Google Docs and PDF files in Google Drive, not inside Google Forms itself. Google's own support community guidance also points out that Forms does not include a built-in e-signature field. So if you want a real signature box inside a form, you usually need a third-party add-on. So, if your goal is to collect a simple agreement in Google Forms, the easiest basic method is to add a checkbox question or a short answer question where the person types their full name to confirm consent. This is not the same as a full built-in handwritten signature field, but it is the simplest workaround many people use when they only need confirmation inside the form. Community guidance around forms commonly suggests this kind of name and consent setup when a true e-signature field is not available. Now, if you specifically want respondents to draw or enter a real signature inside Google Forms, the usual solution is to install a Google Workspace Marketplace add-on. Marketplace listings for signature tools for Google Forms explain that they add a signature field to the form so respondents can sign on screen from a phone, tablet, or computer. In other words, the signature capability comes from the add-on, not from Google Forms by itself. Here's the basic setup. Open your Google form, go to the add-ons or extensions area, and install a signature add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace. After that, open the add-on inside the form and follow its setup steps to insert a signature field. According to Marketplace descriptions, these tools can let respondents sign directly in the form and, in some cases, automatically save the result to Google Sheets, Google Drive, or a generated PDF. There's also says linear scale questions can run from 0 or 1 up to 10, so they're better for satisfaction or importance scores than true first to last rankings. Before sending the form, test the question yourself to make sure the ranking works the way you want. If needed, mark it as required so people can't skip it. Google Forms supports required questions, and testing is especially helpful with grid layouts so you can check that the rank order is clear and easy to answer. And that's how to add ranking questions in Google Forms. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.